Hey there! Welcome to my channel. If you're new to video editing and want to get started with Premiere Pro, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the basics, step by step, so you can start creating awesome videos. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's open Premiere Pro. Once you're in, you'll see the start screen. Click on New Project. Give your project a name, choose a location to save it, and hit OK. Now you're in the main workspace. It might look a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll break it down. On your left, you'll see the project panel. This is where all your media files like videos, photos, and music will live. To import your media, simply drag and drop your files into this panel or go to File, then Import. Easy, right? Next up, the timeline. This is where the magic happens. Drag your video files from the project panel down to the timeline. You'll see your clips appear as blocks. You can click and drag them to rearrange the order. To trim a clip, just hover over the edge until you see a red bracket, then click and drag to adjust the length. Now, let's talk about the program monitor. That's the big screen in the middle. This is where you can preview your edits. Hit the spacebar to play and pause your video. It's super helpful to see your changes in real time. Want to add some transitions? Go to the Effects panel on the right. Search for Cross Dissolve under Video Transitions. Drag it to the beginning or end of a clip in your timeline. Voila! You've got a smooth transition. Adding text is just as easy. Click on the Type tool in the toolbar, then click anywhere on the program monitor. Type your text, and use the Essential Graphics panel to customize the font, size, and color. You can even add animations to make it pop. Finally, let's export your masterpiece. Go to File, then Export, and choose Media. In the Export Settings window, select your desired format. H.264 is a good choice for most projects. Click Export and you're done. And there you have it. The basics of editing in Premiere Pro. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and have fun with it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time. Thanks for watching and happy editing.